I was very frustrated with you today, Drew.
Why were you frustrated with
Well,
me?
we got into study hall, and I went to go get my math homework, and you took my phone.
But it just ended up in my pocket.
I know, but, I mean, I was still very frustrated. But, I mean, I understand. It's okay.
Yep, sorry.
It's okay.
Lockers are here. It makes
No. Get some lighting in the school, maybe.
You don't need lighting.
It's pretty nice, if you ask me. Pretty nice windows.
Honestly, I just think you're kind of stupid.
Really?
Yep.
I don't think I am.
I think
Hey,
you are.
that's not nice. Don't call him stupid.
I'm gonna keep calling him
That's
stupid.
no. You stop that.
Because he
That's
is
not
stupid.
No, that's not nice.
Hey, can I talk to you?
Yeah,
I wanted to say I apologize for trash talking your shoes.
it's okay.
Hey, so why'd you leave me on open for 3 days?
I was busy, and I
Well-
didn't even have my phone on me.
Well,
First of
our
all.
other friends said that you were texting them, and I just wanted to ask you a question about the homework.
Well, you could have just found the answer yourself. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, yeah, but it was just a little confusing.
Well, I don't have my phone all the time, so my bad.
Oh, it's okay. We can just talk about that later. So, what'd you do this weekend?
Oh, I went to a birthday party. It was really fun.
Oh, okay.
Jalen Brown is a bum.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
Illinois is
Audrey
way
Estimate,
better.
Chris Tyree, better.
No.
Yes.
He ran for like 2,000 yards.
He's still not in the Heisman race.
Hey,
Hey,
can I,
hey Peyton, how are you?
good. Can I talk to you?
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm getting bullied. There's someone talking about my shoes.
People have been picking on you lately, Peyton?
Yeah.
So, can you give me some names? Like, is there people I can talk to?
Jerry,
Okay, Jerry and who else?
Tom.
Jerry and Tom? All right.
Yeah.
I'll look into it.
We are here with Officer Hunter, and we're going to ask some questions about reporting and how it should be done. How should drugs or alcohol be reported in school?
If they're being used in the school, that poses a bigger concern for all of us. We would need them to come straight to either myself or a member of admin staff. They could also tell a teacher, but they would also just have to report it to a member of the admin staff. And we would go from there. We would do an investigation, see if we couldn't find it. If we believe that someone is using it inside the school, we can get street police department involved and have them tested if they don't want to admit it.
How do you think bullying should be reported?
There's various ways that you can report that. You can do it through the Crisis Go app. I believe there's another one through like the Go Guardian. Students should have access to all of that. You can send emails, even if you just think somebody is being bullied or if you've overheard something.
Who should it be reported to?
Again, when you go through the Crisis Go app or through email, a lot of the times it will go directly to either a guidance counselor or the admin staff. Depending on the nature of it, then it gets forwarded to me, or if somebody comes and directly reports it to one of us, we'll all kind of work together and move forward.
And what if you don't want the person to know that you're reporting them?
That's always an option, again, depending on what the circumstances are. If it's more than, let's say, bullying or that, or if like somebody's, it's criminal, we have a hard time doing that anonymously because then it poses a threat to other people if it isn't handled correctly with law enforcement.
All right, that's all my questions. Thank you.